God wanted children. God wanted sons and daughters. He wanted fellowship with us. మనము సర్వెంట్స్ గా చేసుకోలేదు, ఆయన మనల్ని కుమారులుగా చేసుకున్నాడు. ఫాదర్స్, దే వాంట్ their children to spend time with them. Mothers also, we want to spend time with our children. We just want them to be around us. We want to spend time with our children. సో అట్లనే దేవాది దేవుడు కూడా, మన పరలోకపు తండ్రి కూడా, he wants our time to be with him, not as a servant but as a son. ఒక పనివాడిగా కాదు, ఒక కుమారుడిగా దేవుడు మనలను ఆయనతో టైం స్పెండ్ చేయాలి అని అనుకుంటున్నాడు. సో వెన్ యూ స్పెండ్ time in prayer, you cannot remain the same. మీరు ప్రార్థన గదిలోనికి వెళ్ళి మీరు ఒక సమయాన్ని గడిపినప్పుడు అదే విధంగా ఉండలేరు. You cannot stay near fire and remain cold, right? When you stay near fire, you will receive that heat. The heat will change your surrounding. When you spend time in the presence of God, no, it is impossible for you to remain same. When you know how to spend time in the presence of God, when you know how to experience the tangible presence of God, the presence of God will transform you. No, you may enter into the presence of God with fear, but you will come out with faith. You will receive the boldness. నేను ఎందుకో ఒకప్పుడు బాగా ప్రార్థన చేసుకునే దాన్ని, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు ప్రే, మై హార్ట్ ఈస్ సో బర్డెన్డ్, ఐ లాస్ట్ దట్ హోప్, ఐ లాస్ట్ దట్ కరేజ్ అన్న వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా? బట్ ఐ వాంట్ యూ టు అండర్స్టాండ్, గాడ్ డిడ్ నాట్ చేంజ్, గాడ్ డిడ్ నాట్ మూవ్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ యూ. ఇట్ ఈస్ యూ హూ మూవ్డ్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ ద ప్రెసెన్స్ ఆఫ్ గాడ్. It is you who were clouded with all these discouragements and the disappointments. God is still waiting for you. Maybe you might have entered into the prayer closet with weakness. You will come out strong. Your hearts are shaped by the presence of God. Your mind is shaped by the presence of God. మీ యొక్క హృదయము, మీ మనసు దేవుని యొక్క సన్నిధితో, దేవునితో ఉన్న ఒక్క ఎన్కౌంటర్ నిన్ను ఒక భయంకరమైన యుద్ధాలను జయించే బలమైన సాధనంగా మార్చగలదండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, Gideon was actually hiding at the threshing floor. So he encountered the presence of God. All the while he was thinking that he was a fearful man. I am hopeless, I am useless, I fit for nothing అనుకుంటున్నాడు Gideon. My family is the last among our tribes and I am the least in my family. So nobody cares about me. I'm actually nothing. That's what Gideon's opinion about himself. He was actually hiding, but he has a lot of questions. The moment he had encountered the presence of God, God was not calling him according to his weaknesses. God was calling him according to his calling. He is not calling you according to your weaknesses. You may be a fearful person, you may be an impulsive person, you may be a weak person, but God is not adding the tag to your name. God is not calling you according to your weakness. He is calling you according to his calling, according to his purpose. So after the encounter, Gideon became a strong man.